Son.
Held her close to me.
Ay,
Oh, she breaks so easily.
son.
And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I try to console her, she just do the best she could. But there are times the best is no damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a
Uy, ma'am. Magandang hapon naman dyan sa'yo, Ma'am Maylene. Kumusta naman tayo dyan? It's been a long time. Kumusta? Thank you for that sweet tamsak, Ma'am Maylene. Kumusta naman tayo dyan?
to break somebody's all I told her she'd be fine. Though we both know
Ma'am Maylene, magandang hapon naman dyan sa'yo. Kumusta? Rusiana Vlog. Mega love shoutout din po dyan kay Rusiana Vlog. Ang
anything to help.
nag-iisang kagandahan to, si Rusiana Vlog. Magandang hapon naman dyan sa'yo, Rusiana Vlog. Welcome naman sa aking live streaming. Kumusta kayo dyan lang? It's been a while.
And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew
Magandang hapon naman dyan sa inyo. Kumusta?
when I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry and made me feel like a guilty child, but I realized I never was her style.
Uy, anong balita dyan sa inyo? Makikibalita lang ako. Makikipagkwentuhan lang ako sa inyo, guys. Kumusta naman tayo dyan?
Wanted her to say to be someday, like I'm falling on my knees to ask her back again. But she acted like a lady till the end. Oh, the lady. I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. Then I guess she understood in a way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. It's when it falls apart, but it's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you in a party or dinner for two. Anywhere would do. Celebrating the Yuletide season.
Hello naman dyan kay Rosorets. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas naman po dyan sa iyo, Ma'am Rosorets. Bigyan kita, ma'am, ng iyong moderator function so that you can now start making friends kung may mga tao tayo dito. Ayan. Ilang araw akong nabakante, guys.
Looking through some
Merry Christmas naman dyan sa inyong lahat guys. Mga nandyan sa atin.
friends.
Magandang hapon naman dyan sa inyo. Welcome sa aking live streaming. Especially sa bago natin na kaibigan na nandito. Ma'am Rosso Red, mega love shoutout naman dyan sa inyo. And thank you also for joining my live streaming.
December, sparkling lights all over town. Children's carols in the air. By the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair. I can't think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true.
Welcome po. Galing naman ako kay Papa Hubert, Harlim, at saka kay Ma'am Eileen. Mega love shoutout naman dyan kay Papa Yu. Ang dakilang ano yun si Papa Hubert. Ang dakilang marupok. Ikitang kita ma'am ng 5, kunin ko lang yung pangalan mo. Tal wala naman akong gagawin. Rosaret. Ay, nandun pala sa aking cellphone. Kunin ko lang ma'am ang pangalan mo. Bebe, may lapis ka, bebe. Pahingi nga ako, bebe. Pahiram ako, bebe.
Through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of
Pwede pa type ako ng me. Pwede pa type ako ma'am ng me.
lights.
Me, as in, M-E.
Children's carols.
Ikitan ko ikaw ma'am ng 5. Salamat host Uragon, nakita ko din greetings mo kay Ma'am Adel. Meron ba? Yung pakanani yung pakanani Harlem. Oh. Kunin ko yung pangalan mo, Rosaret. R-O-Z-O R-E-T-Z. Ikitan kita ma'am ng 5. Ilang ka na ba? 423.
You'd let me
Sige.
my whole life.
Ito ata, hindi ko pa na-edikit ito sa yung main channel ko. Sorry naman. Idikit ko saya.
Of a perfect Christmas, spending it with you.
Salamat. Always welcome po. Always welcome. Meron ba? Ano ba ako kay ano? Ay, oo nga pala. Yung kauna-unahan doon. Andun pala ako. Didikitan ko dito. Celebration Triplet Day. Nandito ako sa Celebration Triplet Day, ma. Ano ba ito? Oh. Walang galing naman, may balsa. Sarap sigurong umano dyan. Sumakay. Saan ba to ma'am? Saan ba tong lugar na to? Ang ganda naman dito, tanawin dito, ang taas ng ng hagdan. Ang ganda naman ang view dito. Ang ganda naman ng view dito. Saan bang lugar ito, ma'am? Plano puntahan. Marabotet, mega love shoutout naman po dyan kay Ma'am Marabotet. Highly recommended monetized channel also yan si Ma'am Marabotet channel. Magandang hapon naman dyan sa'yo Ma'am Marabotet. Welcome naman sa aking live streaming ma'am. Okay lang host. Ayan. Saan ba to ma'am? Nasa Hong Kong pala. Ang ganda naman doon. How I wish I could go to Hong Kong. How I wish. Eto ma'am, dinidikitan kita. Celebration Triplet Day. Mga Bongbong Marcos kayo nakapula kayo lahat dito. Diba? Mga BBM kayo ma'am. Ganda naman pasyalan dyan. Dami naman maganda view host basta mag-hiking. Oo nga po, ma'am. Ma'am Marabutet, mega love shoutout naman po dyan kay Ma'am Marabutet. Highly recommended monetized channel also, si Ma'am Marabutet. Uy ma'am, hindi ko pa nagagawa pala yung hinihingi. Sorry na agad. Natuwang-tuwa sila. Oh. Yung yung sako. Yung paligsahan sa sako. Yung isa madaya nabutas yung sako. Okay na ma'am, naidikit ko na yung isa. Di ba mayroong laro yan dati bata pa tayo host? Opo ma'am. Uy pre, hello naman dyan kay pre. Magandang hapon naman dyan kay pre. Si Ma'am Jonas Salundaga is in my live streaming. Mega live shoutout naman dyan sa iyo Ma'am Jonas Salundaga. Welcome naman sa aking live streaming pre. Kumusta naman tayo dyan pre? Ma'am Marabutet, magandang hapon naman dyan kay Ma'am Marabutet. Highly recommended monetized channel yan guys. Kung di nyo pakadikitan yan guys, ayan, binababayan ni Nightbot, si Pri. Nagla-live streaming tuwing alas 3 ng hapon. Parang taas ng echo ko, no? Salamat all. O, diba? Always welcome po, always welcome. Wala, bakit ganon? Ma'am, nadikita na kita, ma'am. Ako yung pang 423 mo. Uy, pre, magandang hapon naman dyan sa iyo, pre. Welcome sa aking live streaming. Meron tayo, pre, bago. Baka naman.
When I was
Salamat, host. Always welcome po, always welcome.
I count my blessings instead of sheep, and I fall asleep counting my blessings.
Yun lang. Sabi ko na sa inyo babrown out sa amin Ha? Hindi, nakakonect naman ako sa Nakakonect ako sa tawag dito. O, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo kaloka ang aming brownout dito guys, di ba? Mega love shoutout naman diyan sa brownout namin. Mabuti na lang i-connect ko guys yung yung aking wifi sa solar. Biglang dumilim.
I count them as they stand.
Kaloka ka, highly recommended and trusted Di naman. Salamat host. Sino yan pre? Hasan ko. Ayan si Rosoret. Maka naman.
Just count your blessings.
Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo magbabrown out pre Alam nyo ba ang dito sa amin? Kwentuhan ko kayo guys, ang apik dito sa amin, due date namin nung babayaran namin yung resibo kahapon. Linggo kahapon wala namang opisina sa kanila. And then kaninang tanghali is may pumunta dito sa amin, magpuputol daw ng kuryente. Galit na galit yung nanay ko. Galit na galit yung nanay ko Kadikit ko na ata yan, pre. Sige. Magdikitan kayo dyan, guys, ha? Baka yung mga ididikit mo pa dyan, pre, dikit mo na rin dyan. At least makapag 500 na. Niwala ako sa'yo, charot ka na naman. Char. Oo nga po, ma'am. Asan ba sino na ba yan? Si Ma'am Saiki. Miss ko yan si Ma'am Saiki. Siguro may tuwad sa kanya. Ma'am Rabutit, si Ma'am Saiki, siguro may tuwad yon sa kanyang channel. Nagtatanong sa kanya kung paano malaman. Alam niyo ba guys na dati pinaghirapan ko yan naghahanap ako ng application na yung mahanap yung nagtutuwad. But then suddenly, I think na, sabi ko, why do I have to waste my time and effort? Hanapin ko lang yung mga nagtutuwad sa akin, which is I can smile. 10 tuwad, ay grabe naman, nagle-level si Psyche. Oo nga. Tapos nagtatanong kung anong band ay kung saan daw makikita. Then tinuruan ko naman. But then unfortunately and eventually sabi ko, bakit ko pagtutuunan ng pansin, which is the best the sweetest revenge I can ever give to my enemy or to my opponent is my sweetest smile na tinatawag, guys. Oo, kasi kapag lagi kayong masaya, naiinggit yan maiinggit at maiinggit yan sa inyo. Ganun ang gawin nyo, guys. Subukan nyo lang. Kahit na may galit na galit sa inyo, all you have to do is to smile at them. Oo. Nakataas na o kayo. Ganun lang yon.
Dawns a brand new morn.
At mabubwisik yan sa inyo.
Pass when the child
Especially and truly. O, diba?
silent
Yun nga sabi ko sa kanya. Kaya nga, ma'am, advisean nyo ng ganun. Kapag nakikita niyan, guys, na lagi kayong naka-smile, lagi kayong masaya,
tree
mas lalo yung manggagalating galitin kayo.
walls of doubt crumble tall.
Shout out Ma'am Jonas Salundaga. Ang pagbati is nanggagaling pa kay Ma'am Marabutet TV.
The child
Especially and truly. Diba? Uy pre, hindi ako pre sa'yo. Nakapasok kasi nga, itinago ko tong yung aking computer, yung aking laptop. Kanina, ngayon ko lang inilabas.
for a spell of truth. No one seems forlorn.
Ma'am Marabutet, shout out sa'yo. Shout out Tali. Bakit may Tali? New trends, pre. Guys, kaibiganin nyo naman guys si Pri, si Ma'am Jonas Salundaga, and yung ating bago, baka lang, meron tayo guys na bago. Bagong-bago natin na kaibigan, si Ma'am Rosoret. Box lang Pri, 1 hour lang ako nag-live. Oo nga Pri, hindi kita naabutan nga. Kaya hindi ako nakatambay.
All across the land dawns a brand new morn. This comes to pass when the child is born. It's all a dream, an illusion now. It must come true sometime soon, somehow. All across the land dawns a brand new morn.
Uragon, tag, Ron, shout out. May galab shout out everyone. Paskong Pasko tol. Oo nga po, Mamarabutet. Merry Christmas naman dyan sa inyo. Christmas countdown natin guys. Meron tayong Christmas countdown. Ma'am Rosoret, baka naman pwedeng pa-type ako ng me. Ayun, mag-type lang kayo guys ng me, Aura, channel, o kung kaya naman tawagin nyo si Nightboot, o kung kaya isang tuldok lang. Ibababa yan ni Nightboot guys ang inyong mga bahay. Aura. Ay Ma'am Marabutet, hindi ko pa nagagawa yung yung tawag dito. Yung yung na ba yan? Yung tax, ayan. Si Ma'am Psyche, ganun din, kailangan niya ng TIN number, wala pa daw siyang TIN number. Mabilis lang naman kumuha guys ng TIN number sa BIR. Mabilis lang naman talaga yon, kumuha ng TIN number. Di ko pa nakukuha tol, ayan. Mabilis lang naman kumuha, as in siguro mga 10 minutes lang naman. Kukuha lang kayo ng form na, ano ba yung form na yan? Ano ba yung 1894 ata yun na form. E1894 o E1984 ata yun. Tapos pipil upan nyo lang ng pangalan nyo, address, permanent address ninyo. Then age, ano ba? Yung mga common na pinipil upan natin. Yung mga basic na inaano natin, yung pinipil upan natin ng mga information natin. And then wag nyo guys kakalimutan, mag-provide kayo ng inyong mga yung inyong mga number, phone number, and then yung email address ninyo. Kailangan nyo mag-provide niyan. Ayun pre, parang may appointment na. Hindi naman dito sa amin pre. Bukas ko pa ilalakad. Ayun. Mabilis lang naman yun. As in mabilis. Super bilis. Depende na yan kung maraming kung maraming nakapila dyan sa inyo, sa BIR ninyo. Dito naman sa amin pre, hindi pa naman mag-a-appoint. Ano pa? Sige na. Baka may mga katanungan pa kayo dyan, guys.
Christmas, in every prayer and every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love like that starlight on that first Christmas morn lead us back to the...
Dito sa amin, pre, kailangan mo magpa-appointment. Kaya yung akin, babalik ako sa BIR sa December 1. Sa T-number lang. Iba-iba naman kasi yung pre. Kung ang inaasikaso mo is yung sa lupa, talagang babalikan yan. Ganyan ang na araw. Pero kung T-number lang naman is, iba naman yung pila nun eh.
Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of
King Mara nandito rin sa atin. Dan dikit Ma'am Rosaret si Mayday Falls mo, ayan. Sabi ni Cooking Mara. Mega love shoutout naman po dyan kay Ma'am Cooking Mara.
this season may we never forget
Diba? Nang didikit.
Jesus.
Baka naman strawberry. O diba? Nandyan na lahat naman yung mga yung mga kaprutasan dyan.
Spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
Ano pa ba?
Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible say, Mary's boy child Jesus.
Rosoret. Ayan. Ma'am, thank you for that sweet tamsa. Cooking Mara, salamat mamaya. Balikan kita. Magluluto muna ako. Ma'am Rosoret, si tawag dito. Si Ma'am Marabutet. Ayan. Ma'am Dimple at Bincula Vlog. Oy, nagbabalik. Na-miss ko ikaw, ma'am. Kamusta naman po tayo dyan, Ma'am Dimple at Bincula Vlog? Nagbabalik natin na kaibigan, guys. Highly recommended monetized channel also yan. Si Ma'am Dimple. Ma'am Dimple, mega shoutout naman dyan sa iyo. Kamusta naman po tayo dyan? Ora.
That man will live
Oy, ang laki na. Ang bahay.
because of
Okay, host. Salamat. Kahit wag mo naman balikan yung mga yung mga ninja. Si Ma'am Marabutit na lang. Opo, ma'am. Congratulations naman po dyan kay Ma'am Dimple at Bencula Vlog. Highly recommended monetized channel also. EGT Tamsak. Thank you also for that sweet tamsak, Ma'am Marabutit.
far. Now Joseph and his wife Mary came to Bethlehem that night.
They found no place to bear her child. Not a single room was in sight. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today.
Host, patamsak premiere please. Sige po, ma'am.
Evermore.
Lagay ko kay Nightbot, ma'am.
Christmas Day, trumpets sound and angels sing. Listen to what they say, that man will live forevermore because of
And paste. Uy, ano naman pala, si Ma'am Adel Sulit pala guys, nagsi-celebrate ng kanyang birthday ngayon.
forlorn.
Uy, Ma'am Dimple, congratulations naman dyan, Ma'am, sa'yo. It's been a while. Then, finally, you achieve your goal. Finally, you got your channel monetized also. And I am happy for you, Ma'am.
So
Kailan ba to, Ma'am? Sunday exercise. November 22, 9:45 p.m.
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Heart
Guys, patulong naman ako. T1. Patamsak, guys. Patamsak.
today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound and angels sing. Listen to what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Chug. Ano ba yan? Salamat host, lipat pa ninja ko. Dagdag po sa'yo. Thank you naman po dyan sa'yo, Ma'am, Ma'am Dimple. Thank you, Ma'am. Ayan. Dan tatlong dikit, Rosoret. Ayan.
Little Christmas tree, no one
Guys, patamsak naman ako. Sige na, maluoy mo, patamsak.
yourself to me.
Yung nakapin, guys, nakapin.
Your weight in precious gold you see, my little Christmas tree.
Banana, tamsak. Thank you for that sweet tamsak, Ma'am Banana. Ma'am, thank you naman po dyan sa'yo.
Nobody else's little Christmas tree. I'll make you sparkle, just you wait and see, my little Christmas tree. I'll put some tinsel in your hair, and you'll find there's a strange new change that you have never seen. I'll bring my
Jay Snow, harang tamsak. Thank you for that sweet tamsak, Ma'am. Dimple Advent Cola Vlog to host. Ayan. Thank you naman po dyan sa Ma'am Dimple. Guys, patamsak ako, guys. Patamsak. Yung mga nandito sa atin, patamsak naman. Sunday exercise, tamsak.
I'll show Saint Nick the tree you really are, and there'll be peace on earth when Daddy lights your star, my little Christmas tree.
Pongkan, Ma'am, ha? Ginagawa pasok talaga lahat. Thank you naman dyan, guys, sa inyo. Thank you kay Ma'am Marabutet. Uy, Ma'am, bigyan mo ako ng ano, ha? Ng TIN number mo, TIN number.
We'll go far. I'll show Saint Nick the tree you really are, and there'll be peace on earth when Daddy lights your star. My little Christmas tree.
Tamsak, sige pala yan. Sige, sige. At lagyan natin ng ng tax. Unless otherwise, ma'am, kaya mong gawin yan. Pwede mo naman lagyan yan mag-isa. It's totally fine. Ayan. Gusto kita, tamsak din. Mega love shoutout naman dyan kay Gusto Kita. Ma'am Maylin. Si Ma'am Maylin to eh. Ay, booking.
Sing a song of gladness and cheer. For the time of Christmas is here. Look around the whole world and see. What a world of wonder this world can be.
Si Mara pala, si Ma'am Marabutet. Ay, meron din si meron din si Ma'am Maylin na ganyan din ang pangalan, ma'am. Gusto kita. Guys, mag-iisang oras lang ako, guys, ha. Isang oras lang, talaga. Kasi mamaya magba-brown out na naman. Patamsak naman ako, guys. Patamsak sa nakapin. And baka, guys, may mga katanungan pa kayo dyan. Pwede kayong magtanong live. Sagutin natin ang inyong mga katanungan, guys. Kung may mga katanungan kayo dyan sa inyong mga buhay-buhay.
This world can be. Sing a Christmas carol.
And happy fiesta naman dyan sa mga taga-Kalbayog, Malilipot Albay, celebrating their festivity ngayong araw na to, di ba? Sana hindi ako nakarating.
Merry Christmas can
Sana masaya ang inyong pagdiriwang dyan ng ng tawag dito. Ng kapiestahan ngayon. Congratulations naman dyan kay Ma'am Marabutet. Dansa na kapin. Tamsak. Ayun. Thank you for that, si Tamsak, Ma'am Marabutet. Tamsak ako, guys, kay Ma'am Dimple Advencula Vlog. Baka naman. Ken Lee. Naalala ko tuloy yung kanta na Ken Lee. Ken Lee. Chen Lee. Mega love shoutout naman po dyan kay Chen Lee. Tamsak, thank you for that sweet tamsak, Ma'am Chen Lee. Jay Snow.
We need to make this Christmas bright. Hang your favorite dream on a star. Wish upon it Christmas night. Sing about the better things, the friends we have, the joy they bring. Hang your dream upon a star and wish it Christmas night. Peace on earth, we dream for the world. Time to love and time to share. We can wish for love in the world. Time to give and time to care.
On this day is born the child, Jesus Prince.
Uy, Christmas na talaga, oy. Hindi na mapigilan.
In your heart, let all hatred cease. His star will brighten the darkest night to light your way if you believe. The love you seek will be in your heart. Ask and you will receive. On this day will rise the morning sun. All the bells will ring.
Baka may mga katanungan pa kayo dyan, guys. Huwag kayo mahiya magtanong.
Earth and heaven sing a song and light up the lights. We need to make this Christmas bright. Hang your favorite dream on a star. Wish upon a Christmas night. Sing about the better better things that friends we have, the joy they bring. And a dream upon a star and wish it Christmas night. Peace on earth we dream for the world, time to love and time to share. We can wish for love in the world, time to give and time to care. Sing about the better things of friends we have and happiness they bring. Sing a song of dreams come true and bless the new year too.
Merry Christmas. O, diba? Merry Christmas naman dyan, ma'am, sa'yo. Time check tayo, guys. It's 10 minutes past the hour of 6 o'clock in the evening, Philippine Standard Time.
Sing a song and light up the lights. We need to make this Christmas bright. Hang your favorite dream on a star. Wish upon a Christmas night. Sing about the better things of friends we have, the joy they bring. Hang a dream upon a star.
Eh? Ano nangyari dito?
Peace on earth we dream for the world. Time to love and time to share. We can wish for love in the world. Time to give and time to care. Sing about the better things that friends we have and happiness they bring. Sing a song of dreams come true and bless the new year too.
Ma'am, thank you naman dyan sa inyo, guys. Sa mga nandyan, thank you for keeping me in your background. And ano pa ba? Ano pang pwede natin pag-usapan? Baka may mga request kayong kanta, guys. Sige na, mga pamasko gusto nyo. I-play natin yung mga yan.
Can you hear the sound of life heard in the laughter of children at play? Can you hear the sound of voices sing? Feel the mass.
Kasadya. Ano daw yung pre? Meron ba niyang pre? Kasadya.
Hear the laughter. Can you hear the music? Sing with your heart. It's the song of.
Ano yung pre? Kasadya.
Can you feel it? It's the magic of
Kasadya ning taknaa.
the sound of life. Can you hear the Christmas bells?
Meron ba nung pre? Pasko na naman. Oh,
Too? Can you
Pasko na naman.
message far?
Kasadya ning taknaa, pre. Tama ba? J. Arbano featuring
Can you hear the laughter?
Pasko na naman.
Sing with your
O
heart.
kay tuli ng araw. Yun ba yun, ma'am?
Can you feel it? Sing the message loud and clear.
Yung mag-play na lang tayo ng kanta nyo. Ay,
Pasko na naman,
lalalala. Alam bang nangyari dyan? Oy,
ngayon ay Pasko.
kasadya o pre. Ah, sige.
Pasko na naman, kay tuling ng araw. Paskong nagdaan, tila ba kung kailan lang. Ngayon ay Pasko.
Ano ba to, pre? Kasadya ning taknaa with lyrics. Bisayan Christmas song. Oh, ito pala yan.
Pasko na naman muli, tanging araw na
Kala ko kakantayin.
Pasko.
Ma'am, kausapin mo muna si Pre. Kausapin mo si Pre. Sige na, ma'am. O, mag-usap muna kayo ni Pre. Oo, Pre. Ikaw nang bahala dyan, Pre, ha? Alam mo na. Paano host mag-command kay Night Boot? Sa akin, invalid, di maayos-ayos. Salamat in advance. Anong command mo, ma'am? Anong command?
Tayo ay
Depende yan, ma'am, sa ikukumand mo kay Night Boot.
Pasko na naman muli.
Ang command kasi ni Nightbot, guys, is napakasimple lang naman. Paano ko ba ipapaliwanag sa inyo? Ang command ni Nightbot is, pag maglalagay kayo ng channel command, halimbawa mag-a-add kayo ng command. Tapos, ilalabas dyan na add command. Unang command mo is yung code na gagamitin mo is yung magiging command mo yun sa kanya kung ano yung code. Halimbawa kay Pre, ang command ko kay Pre is ilabas mo yung channel ni Pre. I-click ko lang yung DS. Yun ang ginawa kong command niya. Ilalabas yan ni Nightbot. Halimbawa, papalabasin ko yung kay Ma'am Marabutit TV, MT1 ang aking command sa kanya. Tapos, ang nilagay kong command kay Nightbot, pagdating doon kay Pre is, yan na nga, ang magiging command niya is, Please do support our BIP2 member DS Jonas Salundaga. LS everyday at 8 p.m. LS start in 1 hour 45 minutes 16 seconds. Tapos nilagay ko yung link ng kanyang ganon yun.
Pasko, Pasko na naman.
Tapos halimbawa kay Ma'am Marabutet is VIP member MT1 Marabutet at tapos yung bahala ka na maglagay ng emoticons mo ma'am. Tapos nilagay ko yung channel link ni Ma'am Marabutet. Ganun po yan. Tapos kung gusto nyo naman guys na i-automate si Nightbot, doon kayo sa ay pagkatapos mo palang ilagay yung command mo sa message pala yon, sa message. Tapos ang user level niya is everyone lagi. Kaya kahit sino yung mag-command nun, pwedeng ilabas yan ni Nightbot. And then isubmit mo lang, submit. Tapos kung gusto mo ng command na, ang command ni Nightbot is, na ba yan? Kasadya. Kung gusto mo naman ang command ni Nightbot is tulad sa akin na kapag ka nag-click ka ng me, halimbawa nag-me or o kaya channel o kung kaya naman tawagin mo lang si Nightbot. O kung kaya naman mag-isang tuldok ka, ilalabas na ni Nightbot. Panoorin mo ma'am yung meron akong video tutorial niyan and then kunin mo yung code doon sa kanya. I-copy paste mo ma'am. Kailangan mo ng ballpen ma'am or screenshot mo na lang para pag naglagay ka ng command, kasi nilagay ko sa screen yung yung tawag dito yung command ni Nightbot. Pwede mong i-screenshot na lang ma'am. Panoorin mo yung video ko. Meron ako diyan na Nightbot tutorial na para ang ilalabas niya is ilalabas niya yung halimbawa hello at Uragon yung channel ko. Ilalabas niya din. You've got 5470 subscriber, go and make friends. Ganun po yun. Panoorin mo yun ma'am. Nandun yung command na ilalagay mo doon kay Nightbot. Si si Stream Element, ganun din po yun. Parehas yan si Nightbot at saka si Stream Element Boot. Ayan. Halimbawa si Stream Element ang ating super chatter, halimbawa si Sir Daman Lalakbay nandito na una sa akin kasi nag super chat yun. Ilalabas ni Stream Element, makikita nyo yan guys. Paano po mag-command kay Nightbot? Sa akin invalid salamat advance sa sagot. Po ma'am, kapag ka invalid ma'am ang user mo, kapag ka invalid ang user, ang command kasi is nagiging invalid lang naman kung mali yung command mo sa kanya. Halimbawa, asa na ba yan? Kapag ka maglalagay kasi ma'am ng command, kailangan mo ng halimbawa kung gusto mong pangalanan, halimbawa yung pangalan ko, maglalagay ka ng @user at ay hindi pala $sign tapos yung user ganon. Kailangan mo maglagay ng ganyan tapos magiging user yan yung pangalan ng kung sino man yung nag-type. Kapag ka nag-type ka niyan, ang lalabas kay Nightbot niyan is yung user. Halimbawa, ang ganito thanks for keeping me in your background. Ang command mo ganito yun ma'am. Instead na pangalan ko is @user ilalagay mo. Halimbawa, $user. Ganito po yun ma'am. Tapos eto yung link ko. Ang link ko is yan na yung http://youtube.com yun yung tapos you've got ito pa lang yung you've got 470 subscriber, kailangan mong makuha talaga dun sa aking sa aking video. Meron akong video tutorial ni Nightbot para makuha mo yung may rockbot yun rockbot, kailangan mo ng rockbot. Ayan, makuman kay Nightbot. Pero kung halimbawa gusto mong ilabas lang ni Nightbot yung ano na walang subscriber count, kasi may subscriber count yung nilabas ko doon sa aking video tutorial. Kung gusto mo ng may subscriber count, panoorin mo yun, ma'am. Pero kung ayaw mo ng ano, halimbawa gusto mong yung link lang, halimbawa, thanks for keeping me in your background at user. Ayan. Tapos ilalabas siya ni Nightbot kung sino yung user na yon.
Ang kanilang magmalipayon kay tao na si Jesus.
Si Stream Element guys, ganun din yan. Parehas lang. Uy, Besh, ano na to, Besh? Binisaya, maglipay ta. Christmas song na Binisaya, maglipay ta. Ano pa ba guys mga pamaskong gusto nyo? Wala naman akong gagawin. Eh, di mag-play tayo. 15 more minutes na lang ako guys. 15 more minutes.
Christmas, the Lord is here.
Can you hear the laughter? Can you hear the music?
Si Stream Element, ganun din yan guys. Pareha siya ni Nightbot. Halimbawa yan yung nilalabas na ni Stream Element, ganun din po yan kay Nightbot. Pareha sila.
Can you hear the laughter? Can you hear the music? Sing with your heart, it's the song of life. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? Sing the message loud and clear. Merry Christmas, the Lord is here. Said the night wind to the little lamb, do you see what I see?
Ano pa ba guys? May mga katanungan pa kayo dyan.
Up in the sky, little lamb,
Abundance of Crimson Witness.
I see a star dancing in the night with a tail as big as a kite, with a tail as big as a kite.
12 Days of Christmas. Wow.
Said the little lamb to the shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear?
As you wish, pray. Ayan. Ito na lang mas maganda to. Ay, ito na lang. Sige.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Uy, grabe yung dito sa Bicol. Grabe yung BBM na caravan as in.
Two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in
Guys, 11 more minutes na lang ako. 11 more minutes. So, may gustong itanong pa dyan guys. Pwede kayo magtanong.
me. 6 years a laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three
Sumali ka, pre. Oo, pre. Kalabaw ang dala ko. Nahuli ako.
On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden eggs, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 10 lords are leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids are milking, 6
Kalabaw, pre. Ang dala ko, pre.
geese are laying, 5 golden
Moderna vaccine. Bakit Moderna sa kanila?
calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 11 pipers flagging, 10 lords are leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 12 trumpets drumming, 11 pipers flagging, 10 lords are leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4
Uy, 8 minutes na lang ako, guys. Patamsak naman ako, guys, sa mga ano, ay yung nakapin. Baka lang. Yung mga nandiyan pa sa atin, guys. Baka lang. Patamsak naman ako. Wala na ba kayong ano, i-request?
on the first day of Christmas.
Tamsak muna ako sa nakapin, pre. Sige, 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 sige.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Sige lang, pre. Tamsak ka lang dyan, pre. Habang nagbabrowse ako dito.
A day or two ago, thought I would take a ride. Soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what
Sana.
fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is wide, so go to it while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song. Just get a bobtail nag, 240 for his speed. Then hitch him to an open sleigh and crack, you take the lead. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Oh,
Ringing through the sky, shepherd boy.
gana pre, ayan. Sige, pre. 5 minutes na lang ako, pre. Malapit na rin ako mag-end.
High above the tree, with a voice as big as the sea. With a voice as big as the sea. Said the shepherd boy to the mighty king. In your palace warm, mighty king.
Ma'am Dimple, thank you also for keeping me in your backgrounds. 4 minutes na lang ako, guys. Magba-brown out pa kasi dito eh. Alam na this.
Cold, let us bring him silver and gold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Said the king to the people everywhere, listen to what I say. Pray for peace, people everywhere. Listen to what I say. A child, sleeping in the night, he will bring us goodness and light. He will bring us goodness and light.
Merry Christmas in advance din sa iyo, Ma'am Dimple Advencula Vlog. Thank you, Ma'am. Advance Merry Christmas din, Ma'am, sa iyo.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, now and forever. Amen. For thine is the kingdom,
Ang kulit. Ang galing.
and the glory, now and forever.
Ang galing naman. Uy, wala wala na kayo guys na katanungan, I am about to end na rin guys. Sa mga nandiyan guys sa atin, maraming salamat dyan sa inyo guys, sa mga nag-stay. I am about to end na rin guys. Nakaisang oras na naman ako. Sa mga nagtamsak, maraming salamat po dyan sa inyong lahat. And naway gabayan po kayo ng ating poong may kapal sa araw-araw nating pamumuhay. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat guys. Ako po ang inyong lingkod Uragon, nag-iiwan sa inyo ng isang mapagpalang gabi po sa inyo. Advance Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. And I love you all. Bye guys. Bye guys.
May your troubles all be small ones, and your fortune